Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the new Instagram feature Polaroid Shake. So through this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a reveal photo on Shake on Instagram story. So you can start by opening your Instagram apps and then click on plus or start creating a story. You need to first choose a background photo, so I'm going to just select, for example, this as the background photo. And after that, to add the Polaroid shake, you can click on the stickers at the top, and then here click on this frames options. Now just like a photo that you want to reveal. Okay, so for example, I use this photo. Here you can add captions or not, so this is optional. I'm going to just uh, type in, for example, okay, and after that you can click on done at the top, and here you can just upload it. So I'm going to just upload it to my close friend as an example to see to show you how it will look like for your followers. Okay, so when your followers open your story, it will be shown only like this, so the Polaroid will be blurred, so they need to shake or tap on the photo to reveal it like this. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.